Hello everyone. If you are planning a trip to France this summer, you have chosen a wonderful time to visit. Whether you are heading to the romantic streets of Paris, the sunny shores of the French Riviera, or the historic vineyards of Bordeaux, proper preparation is the key to a seamless experience. Today, we are diving deep into how to prepare for your journey and, most importantly, how to stay safe and secure while exploring one of the world's most visited countries. Since we are currently in June, the weather is perfect for sightseeing, but the crowds can be intense, making a well-thought-out plan essential for your peace of mind. First, let's talk about the essentials. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay. Depending on your nationality, check if you need a Schengen visa well in advance. For those traveling in June 2026, remember that European summers can be unpredictable, so pack light, breathable clothing, but always keep a light jacket or an umbrella handy. Digitize all your important documents, passports, insurance, and hotel bookings, and store them in a secure cloud folder. Additionally, notify your bank that you will be traveling to avoid any issues with your cards. I highly recommend carrying a mix of a travel credit card and a small amount of euros in cash for those quaint local bakeries and markets where cards might not be accepted. Getting around France is quite straightforward if you plan ahead. The TGV high-speed trains are fantastic for moving between cities quickly and comfortably. I suggest booking your train tickets online to avoid long queues at the station. If you are renting a car, ensure you have an international driving permit and a valid insurance policy. Be mindful that parking in cities like Paris or Lyon can be a nightmare, so using public transport or ride-sharing apps is often a much smarter choice. Remember to download offline maps of the cities you'll be visiting, as this ensures you can find your way around even if your mobile data fluctuates. Familiarizing yourself with the local transport apps will save you a lot of time and stress. Now, let's address the most important part, your safety. France is generally very safe, but like any major tourist destination, petty crimes such as pickpocketing can be common in crowded areas. To stay safe, avoid keeping your wallet or phone in your back pocket. Instead, use a crossbody bag or a money belt hidden under your clothes. Be wary of common tourist scams, such as people offering free bracelets or petitions in busy squares. It is best to politely decline and keep moving. Always stay aware of your surroundings, especially in metro stations and crowded landmarks. If you ever find yourself in an emergency, the universal emergency number in France and throughout the EU is 112. Keeping a list of your embassy's contact details is also a wise precaution. Finally, a little bit of cultural awareness goes a long way. Learning a few basic French phrases like bonjour for hello and merci for thank you will open many doors and make your interactions with locals much smoother. The French appreciate it when visitors make an effort to speak their language. Respect local customs and be mindful of the pace of life in smaller towns. Always double-check your itinerary and keep your hotel address written down in French. By combining these safety precautions with a spirit of curiosity and respect, you can fully immerse yourself in the beauty of French culture. We hope these tips help you have a wonderful, safe, and memorable trip. Safe travels, everyone.